And this obedience didn't appear overnight. It grew slowly, quietly. So quietly that people never noticed when it replaced freedom. At first, rules were meant to protect. Then they began to control. Soon, they decided who could speak, who could learn, and who had the right to question. People were told these rules came from tradition, from elders, from destiny itself. And when rules feel ancient, they feel unquestionable. Those who followed them were called good. Those who questioned them were called dangerous. Over time, fear no longer needed punishment. Fear lived inside the mind. That was the real victory of obedience. Because when control reaches the mind, chains are no longer necessary. And this is where the story becomes even darker. Because in the next chapter of history, some people finally ask the forbidden question: who benefits from our obedience? And the answer to that question changed everything. Right finger, but that story. The people who questioned, the price they paid, and the secrets history tried to erase. You will hear that in our next video. So stay curious. Stay aware. And never forget. This is Hidden Strange History. If you found this story interesting, like this video and subscribe to Hidden Strange History. More hidden truths and powerful stories are coming in the next videos, don't miss them.